Hey guys, how's it going? So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about Crypto.com being the #1 exchange in the world, beating Binance. Is it possible? Well, I mean, I think from a user base perspective, yes, but I think also Binance has some of the biggest institutional investors in their platform, but who knows? Maybe those institutional investors will switch over to Crypto.com, and they'll switch from Coinbase to Crypto.com, and Crypto.com could be the #1 exchange in the world. Who knows at the end of the day? I hope so, because I have some Crypto.com tokens, coins. Last night I saw Crypto.com break 60 cents, and I quickly ran out and I bought some more because I was thinking that it's going to make some new price discoveries and it was going to go higher. And boy, was I right, because the stock, not the stock, the coin went all the way up to 80 cents right now. I'm looking at my portfolio. I'm like, oh, it feels so good. It feels like I won the lotto. But, you never know. It could collapse or it could keep going higher. At the end of the day, big money moves the market. So, they ultimately determine where the price of the coin will go. All I can do is, hope for a crash and buy some more, because I honestly believe it's going to go higher. So right now it currently has a market cap of $20 billion. And if we look at Binance, it currently has a market cap of about $98 billion. If Crypto.com was to overtake Binance, the price of the coin will be at around $3, or maybe even closer to $4, because at $1 it's about 30 billion. At $2 it'll be 60, at $3 it'll be 90, and at $4 it'll be $120 billion. So we could potentially see Crypto.com go to $3 to $4 here in the short term, and be the #1 crypto exchange in the world, beating Binance. But at the end of the day, it's pure speculation and nobody really truly knows for sure. But I'm so glad that I own coins, and I think I'm gonna make a lot of money off of this. But again, that's my opinion. I just wish I loaded the boat on it when it was sitting at 20 cents, 10 cents. But I didn't. But still, I'm up a lot and I'm happy. My crypto portfolio looks really nice right now. Really, really nice right now. Anyways, that's all I have for in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. I don't really care. I make videos because I enjoy to make videos. And have a great day. Bye.